Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a deep dive into a prop firm that is truly standing out in the industry right now. If you have been looking for a reliable, high payout prop firm with incredible trading conditions, this video is for you guys. Let's get right into it, okay? The prop firm we are reviewing out today is DNA funded, guys. You can check them out via the link in the description or simply search DNA funded right on the basically Chrome. So let me do it for you. Directly you can search on DNA funded, click on first link. Now you can see their websites. This is basically very simple and beginner friendly website, guys. Very sleek and super user friendly. They offer they offers five type of accounts: first phase, second phase, rapid 10 days, instant funding, and 24-hour challenge. In today's video we are only talking about first phase and second phase, because in my honest opinion, guys, for me first phase and second phase are the best. Rest of three I never traded, so I will never recommend rest of three to you. I only traded first phase and second phase. That's why I am recommending you these two. Okay. So let's talk about first phase. You can see in first phase minimum trading days is only 5, profit target is only 10%, maximum daily loss is 4%. Remember guys, every other prop firm in their one page account their maximum daily loss is only 3%, but here you will get 4% as and maximum total loss 6%, profit split 90%, and this is very also affordable guys, just for $59. So this is very good model guys, and basically this is very affordable. You can see you can get 200k account for just only $1209. Now let's head on to two phase account. So here you can see phase 1 target is 8% and phase 2 target is only 5, with a generous maximum daily loss of 5% and maximum total loss of 8%, which is very good in CFD industry guys. On top of that, they offer challenge booster. So if you want your payout faster, you can take only in 7 days. And also you can see their 200k account is just 1079. It's very affordable guys. You can compare with any other prop firm, you will know it's very affordable. And if you scroll down, you can see, yes, that this is what I am talking about. You can even do a demo reset, and you can get a payout in just 7 days guys, if you take early payout booster. So it's all up to you. And if we scroll down more, so you can here see guys, main 2 CFD trading platform is available. As you can see MT5, you can see even trade locker, and you can go yourself and you can also check. Here you can see this is login password server, and here this is login password server. Check yourself what spreads is. Now, as traders, our biggest concern with any prop firm is always the spread. So let's look at the live platform right here and Trade Locker and MT5. So you can check on Trade Locker. See guys, so this is the spread. This is the spread of gold. In 5 minute time frame, you can't even see the spreads. It's only 1 or 2 pips, not two pips. It's just only, actually it's just only 1 pips. So you you will get a very ultra low spread guys, which is I can say no other prop firm provide. You can say you can't even see the spreads. And you can even see the Nasdaq. Let's see, even in Nasdaq there is very low spread guys. You barely see the spreads. And what we trading more currency pairs. Okay, let's see currency pairs. See, oh my god, in currency pairs there is no spreads actually. It's just 0.01 pips, which is negligible, which is nothing. And you can see even GBP USD. See, there is no spreads. There is no spreads at all, guys. And if you guys wanna check out on MT5, I will put a clip of MT5, so don't worry about it. Guys, I am recording this clip from my phone just because you guys can see a spreads of DNA funded prop firm. So you can see guys, this is the DNA account and you can see a spreads of gold. Literally guys, in the 5 minute time frame there is no spreads. Literally you barely can see spreads in even in MT5. It's literally nothing. And you can also see in Nasdaq. Wait, see, there is ultra low spread. You can see Euro USD. There is no spread or at all in Euro USD. You can clearly see, and even you can see in GBP USD. Again, there is very low spread. Basically, it's nothing. It's zero, and you can also see USD JPY. See, there is nothing. There is no spreads at all. And guys, you know me, I never give my audience wrong or misleading information. You can trust me on this because I don't just talk about these firms, I actually trade with them. Let me see you. Right here is the official certificate. Let me see you. This is the official certificate of I passed account. Wait, see, I passed account. You can see even my name Anant, and let's see this picture. So this is the my payout, and this is also my payout, and this is also my payout, guys. So you can see how big payouts I received from this prop firm. This platform literally paid me $1980, guys. So if you are ready to get funded, grab your account using the official link in the description below. Also, make sure to join the DNA funded Discord community. The link is right there in the description. It's a great place to stay updated, interact with other funded traders, and catch exclusive giveaways. So that's it, guys. That's all for today review. Drop a like if this helps, subscribe for more honest prop firm reviews, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Happy trading. And yeah, don't forget to check out DNA funded from link in the description, guys. So bye bye.